Just had my coffee. What's happening? Today, we are going to talk about how to 3D track text in After Effects. Let's get it. Right, so we have our After Effects open. We have our file. This is from my drone. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to create an intro sequence to, say, a vlog. In the middle, we have the footage that we want to put our text on. On the right here, we have tracker. Let's click that. And what we're going to do is we're going to just click track camera. And what this does is it just spends its time understanding where everything is and start mapping out where we can place something. I 100% should have used a filter on this drone. I know this, I know. So basically what we have here is a load of points that After Effects have tracked, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and find the one that we want. So I've selected that. What I'm going to do is right click, create text and camera. What this will do is allow me to place some text there, and as you can see it is here. So let's go down to the layer, grab it, and we can start moving it. Now what we can do is we can open up the properties on the left, we can transform, and as you can see here we can start moving things around to bring the text up like this, and you can start moving it around like this. So what I want to do is just get it right on line with the mountain in the background. Okay, great. What you can do now is you can double click it, and say if you're doing a vlog or anything like that, you can say this is vlog, oh, not log, vlog, and it's number 23. See, that's what you do. That's how you 3D track text. I hope you like this video. I hope you gained some knowledge from this video, and if you did, subscribe below for more and like this video. Alright, see you in the next video. Peace!